Hello, my name is Bill and welcome to Mind Your Crypto. Today we have MATIC Network Polygon daily update, so we are going to see some beautiful stuff right there, make a price prediction and the technical analysis, actually a non-biased price prediction and the technical analysis using what I really see there. And of course, if you want to, hit the like button and subscribe, it helps so much with the daily updates. The only reason I'm asking this is because it is helping so much, as I am on the YouTube 7 days per week. Okay, so thank you for watching, have a fantastic day wherever you are again, and let's go to see some technical analysis stuff right there and make a price prediction on the short term, and we will discuss about the midterm as well for MATIC. So you can see that this is a gun box, right? The gun box has one price to bar ratio. This gun box right here has one price to bar ratio, so it is a square. Okay, it is a square right there, and we can see that I am on the daily frame, so we are looking a little bit of the midterm on the trading view. So right now you can see on 1st November something major might happen, and then 29th January and so on. Is this so important to know, and will this happen? Okay, might happen, might not, but sometimes it is actually nice to know that a big major movement is coming on these days. Okay, so we have some support levels going on here, the 0.5. As you can see, we made the 0.5 as support level in the gun box. Now we are looking forward to go to the 1.90. Okay, I will now delete the gun box right here. We do not need that anymore. I will go to the 4-hour frame, and of course I will have the Fibonacci retracement that we like, starting from this top right here, okay, ending up to this bottom. And of course I will remove the magnet so I can use it properly. Here we are. So you can see that we found resistance at exactly the point we talked about yesterday. Okay, and of course we have the 1.85, 1.90 around there, and 1.95. Those are the next price targets for MATIC right now. Okay, and we can go there. I believe that we can go at the 1.90. Above the 1.90, I do not know. Okay, so we need to make a new technical analysis and see if we can surpass some major resistance and support levels. Right now for MATIC, the volume is increasing rapidly. You can see here on the 4-hour frame, very nice volume there, and we need that to go even higher and higher. For now, it doesn't look like we are stopping. Okay, it doesn't look like we want to go further down for MATIC. Let's go right now to the MACD. On the MACD, what I told you yesterday is that we want to surpass these two blue lines, and now we are so close to get even higher than these two blue lines. You can see the blue MACD line is leaning towards the second line right there. Okay, this line right here. So we want to surpass, and we want it to go all the way up high. Let's go to the RSI metrics, actually the risk metrics, the RSI, STOCH RSI, and the commodity channel index. You can see right now that we were above the 70, we were above the 80 for the STOCH RSI, above the 100 for the commodity channel index. It is healthy a little bit to just correct just a little bit. Okay, so we don't correct so much, we are just correcting a tiny bit so we can go up furthermore. It is a very healthy correction that the market needs sometimes to cool off. We had a bullish cross between the 20-day EMA, now we are far above the 20-day EMA and the 50-day EMA, as you can see here, the yellow line and the red line on your screen, and we want to see where are we going. Let's go right now to the daily frame. You can see on the daily frame that we had a buying opportunity according to the SSL HYBRID back on 1st September. It is looking good, it is looking great. We do not have a selling opportunity yet, and as you can see the EMAs on the daily frame, we had crossed back on 11th August. So we were pretty bullish right here from 11th August. Now we want to see it going all the way high. Okay, so at the 1.90 there is a very huge resistance level that we will see if we can come across and above the 1.90 or not for MATIC. Okay, so you can see on the daily frame we do not have the STOCH RSI above the 80, although we keep getting some lower highs right here for the STOCH RSI. It is possible to go just down from there, but in overall we are pretty fine. Okay, do not worry about that. The RSI is pretty fine. as well. Okay, and we want to see whether the commodity channel index now will go a little bit down on the daily frame or not. We hope that we follow this pattern right here and then we go up and down. Okay, this will be very great for MATIC on the daily frame, and this will help us go even higher. I think we can do it above the 1.90, which is a strong resistance level. I'm not sure if we can. Okay, so let's go to MATIC Bitcoin chart. MATIC Bitcoin chart looks identical to the MATIC USDT. You can see we are getting some higher lows stuff right there. You can see on the 4-hour frame, if I just zoom out, everything is good. For the time being, 3 out of 3 risk metrics are in an overbought situation. The MACD is looking very good. It is almost ready to go above the previous high we formed on 12 August, and of course the price is following, which is very great for an altcoin to have a strong MACD but the price to follow. Okay, it is very important the price to follow, and when the MACD drops on the 4-hour frame, the price has to remain stable or go sideways. This means that the altcoin or any coin you are following has a strength. Okay, so let's go to MATIC Bitcoin chart. On the daily frame, you can see that we have the stochastic RSI now going into an overbought situation right there. For MATIC Bitcoin chart, we have two cat twins right there. You can see them. Okay, the first one is here and the second one is holding the hand of the other. So the both cats are smiling right now for MATIC Bitcoin chart on the daily frame. And now we can go and because I do not want to stay here. Actually, let's see the weekly frame a little bit, because this is something you need to see. On the weekly frame, we were in an oversold situation, right? So we can go further above, further higher right here for MATIC. If this is a nice and healthy impulsive wave, then we should be on the bottom of the impulsive wave, and now on the weekly frame we should be having again a little bit of an impulsive wave towards the upwards above the 70 on the weekly. So yeah, if this is an easy and healthy impulsive wave and not an altcoin that pumped up and now it's dropping, then we should be going now upwards. Okay, so let's go for MATIC USDT chart on the price analysis, and you can see that we approach the 1.80, 1.85 and 1.90, the next major resistance levels, and you can see why this is a very critical resistance level in the 1.90. If I draw the fib from this top, we had the all-time high and the low right here from on 20 July. You can see that right now we have gone above a little bit of the 0.5, which is then 1.65, and if I delete this Fibonacci retracement we had before in the short term, you will notice that the 1.90 is the 0.618 Fibonacci retracement, starting from all-time high ending up to the low we formed on 20 July. Okay, the low we had around 62 cents. So you can see that we have the 1.90, and there is a very huge resistance level that we need to see if we are strong enough to go all the way higher. In the weekly frame, as you saw before on MATIC, we are about to get even higher. If this is a healthy pulse wave on the weekly frame, we should be going higher than the previous high we formed right here. Okay, and of course this will help us to get MATIC above 2.7. Okay, this will help us to get MATIC above the 2.7, and it will be very healthy for us to go there. So I can use a fib. I will go to the weekly frame, sorry, not to the monthly frame, and we can use a fib extension right there to see a little bit of a long term. Let's use a trend-based fib extension from this bottom to this top and to this bottom. So you can see that we have some nice targets going on. The 3 Tether USD, right? You can see that the 3 Tether USD, we have the 1.618, which is the 4.6 Tether USD, and then we can go even higher to the 7 Tether USD, but I won't be going there for now because yeah, if we continue this impulse wave and go above the 2.7, then we have some strong resistance levels according to the Fibonacci extension, the 3 Tether USD and the 4.6. Okay, so yes, we can go to the 4.6 for MATIC. I believe we can do it on the mid-long term. Okay, and if this impulsive wave continues, it will be very nice for MATIC. For now, on the short term, we are looking forward maybe to see, I will delete now the extension as we do not want that. I will go back into the short term, zoom in a little bit, guys, and of course deleting this message right there. So you can see that the 1.90, I didn't want to do that. The 1.90 is a very, very strong resistance level, as we saw before, and this is the reason why we do not know if we can go above the 1.90 for now or not. A very strong resistance level. We should be looking to see if we can go there. Of course, I think that we can test it. I'm not sure if we can climb up. For Bitcoin right now, it is going all the way upwards. You can see here, it doesn't, yet we do not have many chances of seeing the previous high right here, the all-time high. We haven't yet confirmed a very bullish run, but we are close enough to confirm it. For Ethereum, we have confirmed almost that we are going to the previous all-time high and even to the 5,000 Tether USD. Okay, this will help MATIC to grow even more, the Bitcoin chart, I mean, not the Ethereum. And of course, it will help MATIC to grow even more if Bitcoin confirms that we are going upwards all the way. Okay, and for MATIC, we can go even higher to the 1.90. From there, we will see. Okay, everyone is talking about getting to the 5 Tether USD or so. Yeah, okay, I get the hype going on right there, but for now we have to overcome some strong resistance levels in order to confirm that MATIC will go upwards. Okay, and this is why I always want to tell you the truth and what I am seeing, not what you want to hear, okay, or to listen. Okay, I will always tell you what I'm seeing on the charts, because it is easy to get views and get the hype channel and get more views rather than being honest and tell what you are seeing. Okay, thank you for watching. Have a fantastic day wherever you are. See you soon with many more videos. Bye.